Oh man. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. Huh. All right. Welcome, Improvement Gang. My name is Mibar Zagoya, and if you like this type of content of self-improvement, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video gets promoted even more. Anyway, let's go into the video. I was having a bad day the other day. I was feeling really tired. I didn't feel motivated. I had brain fog and I couldn't concentrate on what I needed to concentrate, either for homework or for any work for the YouTube channel. And I didn't know what to do. The obvious answer, of course, is for you to go into the fundamentals, for you to sleep better, drink water, eat healthier foods, and that will improve your mood throughout the day and throughout your life. However, sometimes those moments are inevitable. You're bound to have a bad day, a day where you just can't seem to concentrate. Maybe emotionally something happened, maybe even physically on the previous day. But you see, that day I could not afford, going to go to bed or distracting myself and taking some rest. I just could not afford that. I had a lot of homework to do and I needed to get some videos done. And I needed a quick fix. Right? I needed a quick fix to just endure throughout the important things that I needed to do that specific day. And for the other things that aren't really important, I could really push them off till tomorrow and take some time to rest and feel better. However, I still needed to do some important tasks and I needed to push somehow, right? I didn't know how. I didn't know if there was a solution to any of this. So I did a quick research, right, on what are some ways where you can recover from having this brain fog so that you can focus more. And more importantly, I've been looking into breath control, right? And so I started to look into ways for you to concentrate your breath so that it will increase your focus. And what I came upon was the box breathing technique. And originally it was from pranayama, if I am pronouncing that right, which is some type of yoga originated from India. But the more I started to look into this technique, the box breathing technique, I started to find that the Navy SEALs use this technique, and that really spoke to me because, logically I said, if the Navy SEALs use this technique in order to help them concentrate and, get to that focus, to get the work things done, I thought it would be a good investment. So if they use it, I think it was going to be worth a try. And that's what I did. So what I saw, some of the benefits, right, was less stress. You become more calm, you increase your mood, but the main one that I was looking for, it increased your focus. Which, boom, that was a jackpot for me because I needed a short-term solution for my short-term problem. And I couldn't go back into the fundamentals, right? I couldn't go back and go to bed, take some rest. I could not afford that day. Okay, now this box breathing technique is actually very simple and they call it a box method for a reason. Okay, and so the way that you use this technique and the way that I saw this technique was most effective was 4 seconds inhale, 4-second rest, 4-second exhale, and then 4-second hold again. And at least you should repeat it for 3 times, but ideally you should practice it enough so that calmness, that focus comes back to you. So if you want to do it with me right now, go ahead. All right, so we're gonna count for 4 seconds, right? So let's take out the breath and then inhale for 4. And that is how it's done. Now, when I started to do this, when I was having that really bad day, I have to be honest, it felt a little weird. It felt a little weird because when I was doing this rhythmic, repeated breathing pattern of 4 seconds inhale, boom, 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 4 seconds out, I found out that the part when you actually start to feel more focused and energized is actually when you maintain your breath after you release all the oxygen. I found out that that's when your body is going to keep you more focused because I think it's some sort of danger where your body needs oxygen, and so it's going to kick in, your instincts to put you into focus, snap you into focus, snap you into that present state. So I think that's why it works. Now, I don't think this is going to be good for the long term. Why? Because when I was doing this, it worked perfectly. Right after I did this technique, right, I was able to concentrate and do some work. But then eventually I found out that it faded. It faded a lot more than I really wanted to, more than I expected. And that's one of the reasons why it's only for short term, because you can only maintain that focus. You can only maintain that focus for a short amount of period. Again, it's a quick fix. And of course, in the long-term run, you of course want to maintain your fundamentals, eating right, sleeping right, drinking enough water, doing exercise, all of that. But if you're looking for a quick fix solution for you to actually concentrate and do the work that you need to do, I would definitely consider using this technique. Now, what this told me, what this new experience told me, and this research told me, is that your breath is deeply connected to your mental state, to your emotional state, and to your physical body. That means that you can make yourself calm. This is why there's breathing techniques for anger management, where you breathe a certain way to lower your emotions, to maintain that calm. And I think that's crazy, honestly, because if you really think about it, just breathing in and out and the way you do it has a huge impact in your life. And in fact, I honestly think that if you're able to master it and go in depth into this, like really understanding how to breathe at certain times, you're going to be able to be a master of your emotions, a master of endurance. And honestly, that could be a superpower. You know, like Wim Hof. That dude's insane. I don't understand how he does it. I will definitely make a video about the Wim Hof method later on, but of course, I don't think any regular human being is able to reach Wim Hof at that breathing technique. Please smash the like button and comment anything down below about your breathing experiences that you had in your performance. And well, you have a good day.